A daring theft, a bizarre naked stunt in a hotel, and a drug-fueled suspect biting a police officer. What on earth is happening in Marshfield, Wisconsin? Join us as we uncover the wild events of an April night, when officers came face to face with a man completely out of control.
You, buddy. Stop kicking.
On a quiet April night in 2024 under the starry skies of Marshfield, Wisconsin, an event was about to shatter the peace of this small town.
Kind of confused, because why is there again someone behind my counter?
Right.
He gets over here, and I ask him, like, so, excuse me, sir, do you work here? He's like, no. Grabs the Camel filter, or Camel Blue, he's these on him.
Okay. But they're 864?
What? Yeah.
124.
And then he just... That gentleman that I was on the phone with when he came, he was the one who kind of like stopping him, because we're not allowed to do that. I can't do that.
Just a good shot of his face would be perfect. And then I'll get a good video of the whole encounter so we can find him for now.
Okay.
Police were dispatched to a Kwik Trip gas station after receiving a report of a theft, but this was no ordinary theft. The suspect was Kyle, a 34-year-old man. He walked into the store without saying a word, went straight behind the counter, and boldly grabbed packs of cigarettes. As he tried to escape, a brave citizen attempted to stop him but failed. During the struggle, Kyle left behind his jacket and fled. It's important to note, Kyle was no petty criminal. He was on probation and had a disturbing history of violence with law enforcement, including charges of assault and resisting arrest. Police quickly gathered information and pulled footage from the security cameras. As officers canvassed the area, a new call suddenly came in. A nearby hotel reported a man behaving erratically, matching Kyle's description. He not only tried to hug the staff, but, in a bizarre escalation, pulled down his pants and exposed his bare buttocks.
Hi. Might want to go over if you want to. They're on the stairs. Okay. My boss is calling.
Hey! Get down!
What? Get down! You, buddy. Stop kicking! You. Yeah. You. Oh, this is so fun. I don't know he is. You.
On the third floor, fighting.
On the third floor, they encountered a tense scene. The same citizen who had confronted Kyle at the gas station was now struggling to restrain him. Officers rushed in. A violent struggle broke out. Kyle resisted fiercely, shouted profanities, and repeatedly kicked at the officers.
Hello, mushrooms.
On your stomach.
Hey, come. Ooh. 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 Oh, the fire's at 712 though. Oh, that got your attention, didn't it?
Are you okay, sir? Yeah.
Am I? No. Ain't nobody asked.
Alright, I gotta adjust these.
I'm the one with a disability. You guys don't
smaller
notice this? Oh wait, that's because you're tripping balls too. It's okay. Knows a little bit.
Yeah, I'm working on it.
Oh man, you having fun? Oh, that's right. Because you want to go shoot bugs and bots. Oh, I made you mad, didn't I? Yeah, I hear you laughing. You can loosen them up. How many cups are you gonna put on me, bitch?
Enough.
Enough? Yeah, you laughing. Oh man, you were mad earlier. Can you get off my... Please. Well, I had to.
Alright.
You know the fucking drill. But
So Kyle, right now, okay?
am I?
Are you done fighting with us?
Am I? You gonna take off the cuffs?
No.
Well, the you, bitch. You know I'm stuck in this loop. Yes, I see your smile.
Are you hurt anywhere?
I'm hurt all over the place right now.
On your butt for us, okay?
In a state of frenzy, Kyle kept asking the officers, "How many mushrooms have you taken?" That question revealed a crucial clue. He was likely under the heavy influence of a hallucinogen, possibly psychedelic mushrooms, explaining his increasingly erratic and violent behavior.
Can I get a drink, please? Hi, buddy. I'll buff you later.
Sir, if you want to hang out in the lobby, I'll talk to you in a second.
We going up or down? Mushrooms you take. Hey, call the feds, because I guarantee they're popping the mushrooms at the station. Guarantee. I see half over the smell. You know, set me down. At least I don't gotta walk anymore. You guys are ass sometimes. You really are. I see the smile.
No one's smiling here.
I am.
This is not funny,
It
Kyle.
is really funny.
It's not nice what you did.
No, f you, bitch. It's not nice what you did. You gonna shoot somebody over a goddamn acorn? Really? You nut nose, douche you. Everybody laughing. How many mushrooms you take? You. Full car right now? Nice chilly out.
You want to search him one more time?
I ain't got nothing on me, you know that.
Yeah, Eric and I did not have him searched at all.
But you know I ain't got nothing on me because you're the one walking around with me later. Oh, fight you now? Do I?
Have a seat.
No.
You sit in the car.
No.
Get in the car.
No.
Get in the car. Get in the seat. In the seat. Kyle, get in the car.
You
Adding charges to your arrest. Your probation officer is not like this.
I don't give a fuck. What, the judge gonna get bucked after he arrests me too?
Ready? He's seat over there.
I wish I could spit in your nose. Like how much cunt you get in your nose.
Can you put your legs in the car, man?
No.
Why not?
Just, you know I gotta do it this way.
Come on.
You know I do.
You do not.
I do.
You do not have to do it that way.
Come on.
What's your name?
Kevin.
Hi, Kevin.
How are you?
Oh, I'm alright. Oh, that's right. I buffed you earlier.
Not today.
No, that was the other day.
You getting done to me.
How many seizures did I have?
He was taken to the hospital for medical evaluation before being jailed, but things worsened when tests confirmed he had psilocybin and methamphetamine in his system.
No, I'm stronger than all of you, right?
Yeah, I'll see that.
Just lighten up. Get in, Kyle.
No.
Let's go. Let's go.
No.
Ready? Get out. We're on different one.
Let me relax.
You guys give me a minute, please. Tell Alicia I said hi. I miss her.
Is everything alright with that one? Did you hurt it? What happened?
Well, you know, I got the screw one over here.
You do?
Yeah. You. Oh, man, you had fun with that one, didn't you? Should have told you about that.
Alright.
Oh, that's right, Kevin. Yeah, didn't you? So you already know,
Yeah, then I
Hamill.
gotta search it.
Yeah, it's Star Wars. Tell Al I said hi while he's f***ing his stepdaughter. You can loosen it
Can you
up.
move this leg?
Huh?
Can you move this leg?
Are you gonna loosen it up?
Yeah. Can you move this leg?
Oh, man. How many did you take?
We're on that side.
Hey, Taylor, you still running around the f***ing circle, Dick?
Yep.
Hey, the fire's going on
Watch your head.
7. No, you.
Watch your head. I don't want you to get hurt.
You don't want me to get hurt, Hamill?
Stop resisting.
What, you
Stop
do that
resisting.
a charge?
Stop resisting. You're gonna get hurt. You're gonna get hurt.
Am I?
You're gonna hurt your foot.
Okay.
We'll follow you up there.
Someone grab witness's name.
Yeah, but I told the guy to go to the lobby.
Sorry about that. See if we can get that ER chair with the restraints on it. If we can call the ER and have them bring that up.
So, are you taking me a f***ing chiropractor?
Can you give the ER a heads up? We'll be going up there for medical clearance for jail, and let them know that we'll need the straps in order to get him downstairs.
What bots?
What do you mean, what bot? You know what f***ing bot. Hey, Elon.
So he came to the desk and tried to hug her and like kind of harass her, I guess, is what originally took place, and that's why I was called. I just went to my room. He just kept talking, mumbling.
Yeah.
He yelled at when I got on the phone with Sunshine. He's like, she's on mushrooms too.
Are you having a seizure?
Am I?
That's what I was asking.
Well, you should know.
I got a little bit of a scratch on that.
A little scratch on your neck?
Yeah.
From him?
Yeah, from him, yeah. When he was just attacking me before you guys came up.
Okay. Do you want that specifically?
I mean, I want to press charges on whatever I can with this so he don't come back. Because
Sure.
next time he comes, I'm probably not going to even call you guys. I'm just going to knock him the out.
Well-
I'm sick of... I'm not this kind of people around here.
Yeah. And we don't want you to, but
Yeah.
but we don't want you to end up with worse than what you got.
Yeah.
What is playing from your squad? What was playing from your squad? It sounded like circus music. Oh, your phone was
Allie.
ringing? Okay.
Star Wars.
Okay.
How many mushrooms do you take?
Is that what you took today?
How many did you take?
I haven't tried them yet. Have you? Is that what you're on today?
I I know you're on them.
Well, I'm just that I know what you're on.
That's why you got them in your pocket, don't you?
You want some more? That's what you want. I know you want more. All right, we're gonna go in here. We're gonna get checked out. All right, with us, man. You settle down now.
You.
Yeah or no?
You.
He turned around, obviously, and didn't like it that you guys are coming up. He heard you guys coming up the stairs, so he turned standing there, and he kind of like shoved me to try to get around me, basically. So then I grabbed him and was like, you're not going to run away now, because now you just scratched me, so now you're going to stand here until they come get you.
I think maybe carrying him down is probably just as easy, huh? Okay.
All right, ready?
Nope. You know what? Can I at least water?
Yeah. If you walk down there with us, I'll get you a bottle of water, okay, man?
No.
Do you like ice in it or no?
Can you give me the bottle of water first?
Do you like ice in it?
I will cooperate when you give me.
Grab a bottle of water out of your EMS room.
See, and I see you're trying to be nice.
I'm a nice guy. And I know you're a nice guy, too, at times.
I know I am. Oh,
I know you.
I'm always nice.
All right.
Fuck you, Kevin. How many mushrooms do you take? How many did you take?
Zero. But I heard they're fun to take. I was talking to someone from Colorado. They said they're a lot of fun.
Yeah.
They do them in that candy bars.
Oh yeah, candy bars, gummies, and then.
They said everything's legal out there.
You, Taylor. Oh,
Let's go.
Can you loosen up the collar?
Well, we gotta go downstairs first.
No, can I get a drink of water first?
Yeah, we'll go downstairs, okay, and then we'll get a little bit, okay. Let's go.
I'm moving. Those bots are coming.
Let's go. We're safe. We'll protect you from the bots.
You know we ain't safe.
We're safe, man.
No, you know we ain't safe.
All right, let's go. Leg time it. Okay, we'll go downstairs. We'll take some cuffs off, and we'll get you a bottle of water. Okay. Come on. What's that?
What time is it?
12:55 now, probably. Probably you're past your bedtime. Let's go. This quicker you get out of here.
No, because you know we stuck in the echo, and Taylor's running around the.
Let's go. All right, we're coming up. All right, and no more water. Watch your head. All right, knock it off. I got it.
So how many times did you get buffed?
Sounds like they got their hands full with him up at the ER, so I'm going to head up there and help him out. Any questions at all, don't hesitate to call Works in the morning.
Oh, I got it. Got it. Got it.
Yeah, he just bit my ass.
Yep, I get it. What, you
We need more help up here on the yard.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you very much.
All right, you're welcome. Yeah.
Nah, let's just keep carrying him. You're okay. Thank you.
What fell in my pocket? So the eclipse. Oh, man. You going up or down? Yeah. Why not up?
Hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
We're going to put ours out, okay?
How many mushrooms do you take?
Sit up. Kyle, sit up. Come on, sit up. That's fine. You can fight. I'll bend him. Okay, wait. Stop kicking. That's how this works.
How many mushrooms do you take?
Let me just explain one thing. I worked in a prison for 14 years. I strapped down 1,000 guys. Please trust me, okay? All right. I'm going to hang on to this hand. Relax. You're just going to hang on. Relax.
How many did you take?
I didn't take any.
No, I know you did.
How many did you take?
How many?
Whoever has that handcuff cannot let go of it anymore, okay?
Stop.
You.
Hey, stop it.
You.
Don't.
You know I gotta fight now. Bots are coming.
Listen, if you bite me again,
I
things are
will
going to
you
go
up,
real
buddy.
fast, buddy.
Yeah?
Okay?
How's that?
So don't do that again.
What are you gonna do? You're gonna threaten me like that.
What do you need? Becomes loose on his arm, okay?
What are you gonna do, Buff?
Yeah. Take a breath, huh? Everybody's all right? Nobody's hurt? I'm not asking you, brother.
I don't give a
I know you don't.
Hold still.
What are you gonna do?
At the hospital, Kyle's aggression peaked. He kneed one officer in the stomach and later bit another officer on the buttock. Faced with uncontrollable and dangerous behavior, medical staff decided to inject sedatives into both sides of Kyle's buttocks to calm him down and ensure everyone's safety.
Saw saw that picture, we were both like, oh no. He stole some cigarettes from Kwik Trip.
You done fighting for a little while?
Nope. I need to go fight the bots.
Hell divers will be there when you're out.
Tell me your name. Hey,
What?
tell me your name.
Why?
Because I want to call you by your name instead of
Yeah, but
my name, Carson.
good for you, Carson. You know you get buffed later, right?
Roger that. Just trying to be nice.
Yeah.
As a result, Kyle faced a slew of serious charges, including 2 felony counts of battery threat to a law enforcement officer, along with lesser charges like assault, resisting arrest, disorderly conduct, and petty theft. Ultimately, he was sentenced to 1 year in jail and 7 years of probation. Under Wisconsin law, assaulting an officer performing their duty is a felony punishable by up to 6 years in prison and fines up to $10,000. Additionally, disorderly conduct or obstructing an officer can lead to up to 9 months in jail or probation, depending on severity. Drugs don't just destroy lives, they erase futures. Don't forget to leave a comment below and subscribe to Police Catch Cam for more real, intense body cam footage, chases, and arrests. Thank you so much for watching.